All right, let's try a random medium difficulty problem. Count of homogeneous substrings. Okay, given a string S, return the number of homogeneous substrings of S. Since the answer may be too large, return it modulo something. A string is homogeneous if all the characters of the string are the same. A substring is homogeneous if a contiguous sequence of characters with a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string. That everybody knows. So, question is what? Given a string, number of homogeneous substrings. So in this case, A, BB, CCC, and A. But okay, it says 13 because okay, individual ones also you count, not some largest or anything. So yeah, 1A. Yeah, you get the idea. XY has 2. ZZZ has okay of length 1, of length 2, of length 3, of length 4, of length 5. Um, okay, why is it 15? Is it do they matter from the like does the index matter? So let's see uh, why this is considered to have 5 different homogeneous substrings. I would just consider this as a substrings, but maybe it's looking at indexes. So it first is just one length, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then two length will be 0, 1, and then okay, you get the idea, right? 0, 1, 0, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and then of length 3. So now changing to of length 1 you have 5, of length 2 you'll have 1, 1, 2. Okay, so starting from 1 till starting from this, so basically 4. Of length 3 you will have 3, of length 4 you will have 2, of length 5 you'll have 1, and if you sum all of it, 5 plus 4, 9, 3, 12, 2, 14, 11, 15. Alright, get the idea. So, but if you get the pattern, then the length of the pattern, based on the length of the pattern, it's you get like this can be made a formula, right? If the length of the pattern is 5, then it's 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. The length of the pattern is 6, then it's 6 plus 5 plus and so on. So, which is okay, like uh, what nn plus 1 or nn minus 1 by 2, right? So, if the length of the pattern is n, then basically sum of 1 to n, right? So that is fine. Now we do find all of these different patterns, and which is quite basic again. Um, you see when your character differs, right? Nothing else. So okay, so you do a loop. One is your initial count equals to 0, and then for I guess maybe we have two pointers equals to 0. J starts with 0 as well. Or maybe J starts with 1. Okay, and then you go while I prefer for, but okay, well, let's try while J is less than star length. What exactly do you check here? You check J's character with the I's character, or maybe just the previous guy's character. So if start caret j is not equals to s dot caret I, then count plus equals to, okay, so first you count maybe n. Can I say n equals to I minus j here? Oh, sorry, j minus I rather. So for example, 0 and 1. In that case, then it will be 1, yeah. So j minus I count equals to n times n minus 1 by 2. Okay, too many of this, but fine. Yeah, okay, too many brackets, but yeah, so there you get this count plus, and then now you do is your I becomes j, and your I becomes j, that is fair. And do you do j plus plus every time? So does this make sense? So let's do ABCD, right? So your I was 0, your j starts with 1, and obviously j and I do not match, so you get 1, and then now your j is 2, I is 1, okay, j is 3, I is 2. Okay, I think there is one problem. So okay, so we are looking at case of A, B, C, D. You start with I, Z, I, and J. So you start with I is 0 and J is 1. And for J equals to 1, um, you do a sum, which is fair. With J equals to, for J equals to 2, you do another. For J equals to 3, you do another. For J equals to 4, the while loop is breaking. You come out, but you have to do this thing again, right? One more time. Like a case of all z, right? So everything will match. So your I will be 0, your j will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. J will be 5, right? Because you'll be come out, j will be 5. So you do this one more time, essentially, outside the while loop as well. And then you do just return your count. Okay, that's some example test cases and see if they pass. Oh, we got a wrong answer. Okay, let's see which ones are wrong. So first one, answer is 13, we got 13. Second one, answer is 2, we got 2. Oh no, this is expected. So we got 5, 0 and 10, but it was 13, 2 and 15. I think this XY where we got 0 is a tricky, is a problematic one. So let's think about this X and Y again. Okay, so yeah, all this is good. We compare Y with X, and when we compare Y with X, we compare Y with X, they match or they don't match? They don't match. Okay, so n is 1, count is equals to 1 times okay, so that's the problem here. It does not work. This count thing does not work for length 1, is it? Okay, so of length 2, if there, the answer will be okay of length 1 and of length 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. So is the okay, so for 5, you're saying 5 times 4 by 2, which is 20 by 2, which is 10. Even that is wrong. Okay, so it's n plus 1 by 2 then. 5, 6 by 2. Yeah, okay, so it's not n minus 1, it is n times n plus 1. So for 1, it will be 1 times 2 by 2. Okay. Okay, now submit. All right, we get a wrong. Oh, okay, so there was another bit around the answer may be too large. Okay. Since answer may be too large, return it modulo this. I'm not too sure if it's just here, but okay, let's see. Okay. Possible lossy conversion from double to end. And we got wrong answer again. Okay, let us try again. And we again get wrong answer. Oh, we only try one more thing, which is this. I can do a percentile mod here as well to see if that helps. It's just not going to help, huh? Is that the only? Is that the only one that does not work? Okay, I guess this is a tricky one. It is testing the limit only, nothing else. Logic doesn't seem to have any problem as such. Uh, basically it's the limit 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5, and now how much answer you can get out of 10 to the power 5. Okay, so this is the answer. And now if you do modulo, okay, so in modulo you want um, 10 to the power 9 plus 7, I guess. Okay, so the mod, it does not understand mod, but still let's copy a comma. How do I do? Okay, so this, not this, not this. I want a 10 to the power 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, calculate. The answer is 49965. And what you're getting seems to be not that. Yes, 49965, there's no problem. I guess then let's print this. Yeah, it's sort of that only, I guess. Why is it printing like that? If I make it, can it not be int? Yeah, it will contain, I guess. Yeah, okay, possible lossy conversion from double to int. Okay. So this is fine. How about I keep the count as int only, and how about, because my, okay, uh, yeah, how about I print what the value this is. So maybe remove all the percentile mods. So percentile mod is gone. What's the issue? I don't understand that. Okay, so the output is 70508275 something, but that's not even the right answer. So what's happening is something weird is what is happening. Uh, I guess it's n plus 1 by 2. That calculation, I suspect. here this n, I suspect this has to happen with like a double maybe. Okay, my count is double again, and does that make sense? Because the answer itself is wrong, right? Okay, yeah, so it was just stupid. Okay, let's this submit. Basically, this n present by 2 was using as an integer, and that was causing problems. Okay.